My sister got me a drone for my birthday. Not this sister, the other one, the one that was in Mexico. Thank you.
We've got our drone ready to go. We've already charged the battery.
Okay,
there
then
she
you
goes.
just hit this button.
Now she's ready to go. All we have to do is take it off.
Then the right hand goes forward, backwards.
Center, and they go. You want to launch it? Here we go.
How to make it go up higher a little bit?
Push,
Right, push the left hand.
Let's go to the left. Right. Let's go to the left. Right. Let's go forward. Let's go and rotate it to the right.
On purpose, I was afraid it was going to get away from me. So we came to our hometown's equestrian arena. It seems like a nice, big, open space where we're least likely to hit things. You flew it through the thing like you meant to. I don't know if I could do that again if I tried. Right into through the gates into the rodeo. Now let it go up. Okay, now push just the right side forward. There you go. Push it back at you. Ha 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 ha. Up, up, up. Bring it back. This is crazy. All right, I'm after it. It's over here. And they called the thing a rodeo. Now I don't even know where it's at. Let's see if we can find it. Oh, stop. Are you filming? Hit the camera.
He promised we would find the time, dreaming for eternity, creating perfect memories. Yeah, we hoped we were gonna make it. Little did I know that time would take us to a place where love could grow, but in a different way. Bigger than they'd say, now looking at you.
Karen did the same thing. It's way out there. It's inside the ring here. Let's go get it. Okay, I'm at the other end. Let's see if I can find it. She thinks it's still inside. Could be on the other side of the gates. Let's see. Yes. And there it is. And here I am. And it's locked. Shoot. Let's see if I can get out this way. Okay. I'm smart enough to figure out a gate. Alright, where did it go? Now how have I lost it already? Okay. Let's go back. Gotta shut the gate. Okay. And there she is down there. I have the drone. Come here, honey buns. Come on. There's a good girl. Put it in the trash can? What are we doing? Ours just dropped. Okay. I dropped it. Look out, Charlie's coming. No, she's too smart for you. Mom, I know how to work gates. I was supposed to be a cattle dog. Bitty bitty cattle dog. Fly it back towards me. Nope, 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 nope. Opposite of whatever you just did. Oh, she's still flying. Towards me, towards me. Nope, other way. She did it successfully. There we go. Dead now. I'm into drone racing apparently. There it is. Thank you, Carrie. This is an awesome gift. It's gonna be a while before we know what we're doing. Karen, she's clearly not the pilot. That is the opposite way of the truck. Karen said she was gonna fly it back to the truck, but she flew it the opposite direction. Anyway guys, that's all I have for today. Thanks for watching. If you liked it, consider subscribing. Give it a like and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.